Hey guys, so this is JEE Advanced 2022 question from the chapter Quadratic Equations, and it's given that x belongs to the set of all positive real numbers, and this equation has been given. So by looking at the equation, I see that there is this one term log x base 5 that could give us some trouble. So we will just assume it to be some t. So we can say that let log x base 5 equal to t. This would imply that x is equal to 5 to the power of t, right? Now using this, by plugging this into this equation, we'll get something simpler, easier to solve. So it would look something like this: 5 to the power of t raised to the power of 16 t cube minus 68 t is equal to 5 to the power of minus 16, right? Now over here, as you would know that if a to the power b is raised to the power c, it is equal to a to the power b times c, right? So using this property, we can say that 5 to the power of 16 t to the power 4 minus 68 t square is equal to 5 to the power of minus 16, right? And you also would know that if a to the power x is equal to a to the power y, where a is not equal to 1 or 0, right? Because in either of these cases, x is not equal to y. But if this is true, if a is not equal to 1 or 0, then x should be equal to y, right? Because if you raise 1 to the power of anything, it will always be 1, same as the case with 0, right? Now using this result, we can say that 16 t to the power 4 minus 68 t square is equal to minus 16. Now this over here is a very straightforward biquadratic equation, right? You can solve it very simply. You will get 4 solutions. They are t is equal to plus minus half and plus minus 2. Now if you plug these values into this formula, first of all we'll get, if we plug in plus half, we'll get x to be equal to root 5, minus half we'll get 1 by root 5, and if we plug in 2 we'll get 25, and if we plug in minus 2 we'll get 1 by 25, right? Now if you would check all these values for in this equation, you'll find that all of these satisfied, and it's asked you to find the product of all these values. Now these all these are real, right? These values belong to this set. That means these are the solutions. Now clearly the product is 1, so the answer is 1. Thank you.